Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace space with nothing in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can create your Excel spreadsheet or open your default spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I replace space with nothing in Excel. At first you have to select row or column. Now I select a column, then go to find and select, then click replace, then go to find what is space, replace with nothing, then click find next, then click replace. Then you can see I replace space with nothing in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.